Welcome to my channel. I do a lot of reselling content, and today is going to be 10 things that sold really quick over the last week, and we're going to get right into it. I use Nifty to list all of my items on multiple sites. If you want to know more about that, I got a lot of Nifty videos on my channel. But first sale, Depop North Face rain jacket. I took an offer for 20 bucks. It sold pretty quickly. These rain jackets can go for more, like you can hold out for 30 or 40 on these, but I was happy to move it because I have a bunch of these I actually found the other day. As a bunch, I mean 3. Next was another North Face piece. It sold for $21.60, so I took a little offer and they ended up paying, so that was nice. Little Depop sale. I'm still kind of just adjusting to listing on Depop and how to list on there. It's kind of a newer site for me, so still working on that. So those were 2 sales on Depop. This was my Etsy store, and it's just a kind of a brand new store. So this is my second sale I've made on this store, which was these Hollister Y2K pants. These had tons of interest on Depop, and I took tons of offers. Nobody paid. So here they were sold on Etsy, and they sold for $26.10. And they were just really cute. This Y2K stuff sells quick right now. Next, on mercari, we had a Good American sale for Good American jeans, and had a cute little raw cuff there. Just really cute. It says sold 2 hours ago, but these sold like a week ago, so I'm not sure why it says that. Next, Poshmark Lululemon. This was a men's shirt, new with tag. It was listed for $59. I took an offer of $40. And then one of my best sales this week was this woolly merino wool. This was like a 2-piece jogger sweatshirt set, and it sold very quickly. I took an offer for $77, and I would have kept this piece. It was just so nice. It didn't fit me, but super soft, cozy outdoor wear. Next was this, I think it's called Stio, but it's an outdoor brand, STIO. It's a men's, well, they make men's and women's. It's not as well known as some of the other outdoor brands, but it has a pretty nice following, and stuff sells quick. This sold for $20. It was a little performance shirt, stretched quarter zip. Then next was a little Free People sale, 15 bucks, sweatshirt. It was kind of distressed and just had an off-the-shoulder look to it. And then these headphones this was my non-clothing pickup this week. It was just a random find, but they sold right away for $32, and I did test them and they worked perfectly. Last but not least, we had Wrangler jeans. These were just some Western jeans, and they sold for $22.40. Those are my solds this week. I do use Nifty for all my listing, as I was saying, and thanks for watching. I'll be back with another 10 solds here in a little bit. Thank you.